This video is going to show what happens when you turn on the Add Map feature here in Game On Options. The Add Map is perhaps the most exciting new feature in Game On 3.5. Once you check this box, you're going to get a new icon up here at the top that's going to take you to the map. One word of warning, if you already had a page called Map, it's probably going to take you there. You're going to need to go back into your pages and rename that page, and then find the map page that was created automatically by Game On and go ahead and change the slug of that back to map. It's probably map-2 if you already had a map page created. It's not going to be very many people, but I thought I would go ahead and mention that. Now, looks cool. How do you create one? Well, what you're looking at here is these are quest chains and these are quests. Now, once you create those, this map just gets drawn automatically. Now, everything that you see here that's green shows that it's complete, and yellow shows that it is available and available to be clicked on and completed. All of it showing as available or completed because I'm logged in as an admin. A student is going to see it like this. And this student has worked through till this point right here. And these are not accessible yet because until they complete this quest right here, these do not show as available. Now, what are these two available quests back here that aren't completed yet? How did the student get past those? Well, they're indented because they're optional. As soon as they completed this quest here, this, and this all became available. Now, let's go ahead and make a map. Making maps takes practically no time at all. You go over here to quests and then quest chains, and you're going to create a map just by giving it a name. I'm going to call this map number 1, and I'm going to leave that set to none, and then hit the Add New Quest Chain button. Because I did not assign it a map, it automatically becomes a top-level map. Now, a chain that is assigned to a map shows up right underneath. These can be reordered by dragging right on in here, so I can move this one here back on the map. It moved from right here over to there. Let's go ahead and move that back now. You can also reorder the maps themselves, and that will change how they show in the drop-down menu. So now map number 1 is under the Welcome Realm. Users automatically get directed back to the last map they were on every time they visit the map link or every time they log in. Now, let's add one more chain here. And this one is going to be a pod. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means that the items in this chain can be completed in any order. And like, let's say I was going to put 5 tasks in this chain. I could say only 3 of them have to be finished before an achievement is awarded. If you're not creating a pod, you could still award an achievement here, but I probably wouldn't. I would assign it on the last task in that chain, and that way you know that they've gotten to the end of it, and then they get the achievement. And you can see here I forgot to select map number 1. It's easy to change, reassign it. There we go. There is my map with 2 chains on it. So here I'm going to show real quick the creation of 3 different quests. And if you notice on the right side, I'm assigning all of them to chain number 1. and here they are shown out on the front end. So now that I have 3 quests on chain number 1, let's go ahead and reorder them. Back here under Edit Quest, if I go to my advanced settings, I can reorder these right here. So now they go 3, 1, 2. There is also an option here to make this an optional quest. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. On quest number 3. And you can see here quest number 3 is now a bonus quest. And so it would be unlocked for our user here. Let's go ahead and take a look. They now have quest number 3 and they can skip it or go right to quest number 1. Thanks for sticking with me through all of that. I know it's a lot, but for what you get in the end, that's actually a really quick process. And I found it's actually the easiest way for my students to figure out where they're at, what they've done, where they're going, and it helps with the overall gameplay of keeping their motivation up with them setting goals for how far they want to get.